Hello everyone. So in this lesson, I am going to explain how to install TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch libraries in an Anaconda environment, and we can verify their successful installation. So for this, the first step is you have to go to the Anaconda prompt. Go to the search and type Anaconda prompt. You can see Anaconda prompt here from the start menu. So click on that. Now, by default, it is in the base environment. For this, I would like to create a new environment. So first of all, I will create a new environment. For example, Conda, create a new environment. Then I am giving this new environment name Deep Learning Lab. Okay. Then space the which version Python equal to 3.10. You can select any version. Then if you click on enter, it will start processing. 3 channel terms of services accepted. It is going to search all the things. After that, it will ask you a prompt to select yes or no. At that time, you have to click on yes. It may take a moment. Now you can click on yes and accept the terms. You can activate this environment by Conda activate command. Conda activate Deep Learning Lab. Now you can notice that the environment got changed to Deep Learning Lab. Now in this, you can upgrade the pip command by using python-m pip install upgrade pip. So this command is going to upgrade your pip. It is already upgraded. Now, the first step is you need to install the TensorFlow. So the TensorFlow can be installed in the current active environment by using python-m space pip install TensorFlow. So I am installing the TensorFlow here, and it is collecting all the required packages one by one, and it will install the TensorFlow. And by default, this TensorFlow 2 version itself internally has Keras. Again, you don't need to explicitly install the Keras, but however, for practice, we'll try to install it separately. You can verify the TensorFlow installation from the command prompt itself by using this python-c import TensorFlow as TF, the first statement, then print the TensorFlow version TF dot hyphen hyphen version hyphen hyphen. So you can execute this line to check whether this TensorFlow has properly installed or not. It will show the warning when you ignore the warning. After that, it will print the TensorFlow version 2.21.0. And similarly, you can install Keras also python-m pip install Keras. So the requirement is already satisfied. Then you can also verify this python-c import Keras print Keras dot hyphen hyphen version hyphen hyphen. Now you can also notice the Keras version 3.12.3, and similarly you can install the PyTorch python-m pip install. You can use the torch Torch Vision, even you can use Torch Audio. So these are the commonly required Torch libraries. You can install this. So it is going to collect all the required packages and installing the Torch Vision. Now you can verify the PyTorch installation by using Python-C. Import torch print torch dot hyphen version. You can see the torch version with the CPU. Now, even you can execute this in a Python script. You can write these lines: import TensorFlow as TF, import Keras, import Torch. I am printing the versions of TensorFlow, Keras, and Torch. Save this file in any location, for example, B drive. I am selecting Anaconda 3. So verify underscore DL. I'm just replacing the existing file. Now you can go to the command prompt, go to the directory, navigate it, cd space Anaconda 3. You can execute Python space verify underscore DL dot py. Now it will execute this script and print the versions of TensorFlow, Keras, and Torch. Like this, you can verify the installation. Thank you. I will see you in the next lesson.